Unlock complete control over your video's sound by mastering how to effortlessly remove audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Sometimes you need a crystal clear visual without any original sound, or perhaps you're replacing the audio entirely. Today, we'll show you exactly how to detach and delete audio tracks from your video clips in Premiere Pro, giving you the power to craft exactly the soundscape you envision for your project. Let's dive right in. The first and most fundamental step is to unlink your audio from your video. Locate the video clip you want to modify on your timeline with the clip selected. Simply right-click on it in the context menu that appears. You'll see an option labeled Unlink. Click on that. You'll notice immediately that the video and audio are now separate entities on your timeline. They are no longer grouped together. This means you can now select and manipulate them independently, which is crucial for our next step. Now that your audio is unlinked, removing it is as simple as deleting any other element. Make sure only the audio track associated with your video clip is selected. You can do this by clicking directly on the audio waveform or its track header. Once the audio is highlighted, press the delete key on your keyboard. And just like that, the original audio is gone. Your video clip now plays silently, ready for you to add a new soundtrack, a professional voiceover, or simply leave it as is for a purely visual experience. This technique is invaluable for creating clean edits and precisely controlling the audio elements in your productions. Whether you're adding dramatic music to elevate the mood, or a clear narration to guide your viewers, the ability to remove original audio is a cornerstone of effective video editing. So go ahead, experiment with different sound combinations, and let your creativity flow. Mastering this simple step opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your video projects. With your audio seamlessly removed, you're one step closer to a perfectly polished final product. Keep practicing, and you'll be a Premiere Pro audio wizard in no time.